What's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjed, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can get the halation effect for free in Davinci Resolve. Now for practice, go to pexel.com and download this footage. You can find this footage link in the description. Once you have your video, drag your video in timeline. Now first of all we have to go to the Fusion page. Now I'm going to drag my timeline right here. I'm going to press Shift plus space and I'm going to search for an effect called emboss effect. Now once we have this effect, I'm going to click here. I'm going to connect my media in with this emboss node. Select your node, press 1 on the keyboard so we can clearly see this emboss effect. Click here and change the style to Sobel. Now we can uncheck blue channel, uncheck green channel, and now we have red channel. Now I'm going to also add an effect called soft glow, and now we can select the soft glow, press 1 on the keyboard, and we can change the size, and we can also increase the threshold, something like increase the gain, increase the threshold like this. Now to lower the outline of this red emboss, I'm going to drag my color connector and I'm going to connect this between these two nodes. You can also select shift, press shift, hold it, and you can drag your node in between these two nodes. And once we have this blue and yellow line appear, we can just let it go. So it will connect this node in between these two nodes. Now we can select the color corrector and we can simply just lower the contrast, something like this. Now if I press Ctrl, zoom in, currently we don't have these edges on this screen. So we can drag the merge node and connect this in between these two nodes. I'm going to connect my soft glow and connect this to merge node. Now we have these edges. Now to blend these two, we have to select the merge node, click here, change the blend mode to screen. Now check this out, we have these red edges. Next step, go to the color page. Once you have in color page, go to the color, go to the nodes, and as you can see we can add splitter combiner nodes. This represent blue color, this represent green color, and this represent red color. So I'm going to select this node because this represent red color. Go to the effects and we can drag Gaussian blur on top of this node. Once we have the blur applied onto red node, as you can see we have this halation kind of effect. So you can increase the blur according to your liking. Now we have the halation effect, but we have a problem. As you can see we have this weird red color appeared on this t-shirt. So if I increase the glow, as you can see we have this weird color. So to fix this problem, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for an effect. Go to the library and search for glow effect. I'm going to drag this glow and drop this right here. Uncheck the effects, drag this right here. Now I'm going to disable this. I'm going to connect this to the glow and connect this to this red color. And now check this out. Now go to the effects, select your glow color. I'm going to lower all these slider except for HV ratio. I'm going to lower my saturation, increase my gain up to 3%. I'm going to lower my gain to about 0.022. Press enter. Change your opacity to 0.070. I'm going to lower my shine threshold to 0.036, something like this. And I'm going to change my HV ratio to about minus 0.196, something like this. Now we also have to check invert effect. Once you invert the effect, as you can see, if I press Ctrl D to disable this node, as you can see we have this weird red color. If I enable my node, now we have this fixed color. And now check this out, we have this clean halation effect. If I play my clip, as you can see we have this beautiful halation effect. If I disable all these effects, you can check before and after clearly. So now if we uncheck the invert effect, as you can see we have this weird red color appear on the screen. If I check this, now the red color is disappeared and we only have these halation. This is before and this is after. So this is how you can get the halation effect in the free version of Davinci Resolve.